Hello everyone, this is my review of the Amazon Eero, I hope I said that right, Wi-Fi extender. Got this to extend the Wi-Fi in my house, especially since I have the Wi-Fi far away or underneath the stairs in a closed area, so it makes the Wi-Fi signal a little bit weak in other areas of the house. So using this extends it and gives me more access to Wi-Fi, and it makes it faster, and it makes the streaming pretty good on my TV as well. I would highly recommend this product. It's pretty small and doesn't take up a lot of space, and you don't have to have a lot of wires all over the place. So I hope this review helps.